It gives us immense pleasure to announce that the President of China, His Excellency Xi Jinping, has shared his message for today's World Environment Day convention. We truly acknowledge his great efforts for bringing everyone together for green development and harmony between man and nature. As they say in China, when people pull together, nothing is too heavy to be lifted. His Excellency Xi Jinping will also be chairing the UN Biodiversity Conference in China this year. I would like to request the Chinese ambassador to Pakistan, His Excellency Nong, to read out the President's message for us. Please put your hands together for the ambassador.
His Excellency Mr. Imran Khan, Prime Minister of Pakistan. Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. On this special day, it is my great honor to read the congratulatory message sent by President Xi Jinping to World Environment Day celebrations in Pakistan. Congratulatory message by President Xi Jinping to World Environment Day celebrations in Pakistan. As Pakistan successfully hosts World Environment Day 2021 in Islamabad, I wish to extend hearty congratulations to the government and the people of Pakistan, and convey sincere greetings to the world leaders and heads of UN agencies attending this event. In a year that marks the beginning of the UN decade on ecosystem restoration 2021 to 2030, it is highly relevant that Pakistan hosts World Environment Day celebration under the theme of ecosystem restoration. Planet Earth is the one place we all call home. A sound ecosystem is essential for the prosperity of civilization. It is imperative that we respect nature, follow its laws, and protect it. In order to live in harmony with nature, climate change, biodiversity loss, aggravating desertification, and frequent extreme weather events pose serious challenges to the survival and the development of humankind. With the world being a community with a shared future, the international community must demonstrate ambition and take actions like never before to build a fair and equitable system for global environmental governance featuring win-win cooperation, and to promote sustainable development of humankind. The Chinese civilization has long valued harmony between man and nature. The concept of ecological conservation has been incorporated into the overall plan for building socialism with Chinese characteristics. As a participant, contributor, and a pace setter in the global efforts of ecological conservation, China is committed to following multilateralism, defending the UN-centered international system and the international order underpinned by international law, and improving global environmental governance. As the host of the 15th meeting of the Conference of the Parties to the Convention on Biological Diversity, COP15, later this year, China will discuss with all parties things important to ecological conservation to inject fresh impetus into global environmental governance. The Pakistani government and Prime Minister Imran Khan have made the Clean Green Pakistan movement a policy priority. China commends Pakistan's commitment and stands ready to work with Pakistan and the rest of the international community to step up cooperation within the UN framework for a community of life, for man and nature, and for a clean and beautiful world. I wish the World Environment Day celebration a full success. Xi Jinping, President, the People's Republic of China, 5th June 2021.